cookie for me, a cookie for the dog, and drinks and batteries. And I'm gonna bring my quadcopter. It starts to rain, but it's probably just only a very short time. For safety, I'm gonna wear my really nice pink rescue vest. It's nothing special, but yeah, I'm here alone. I don't have my puller with me, I leave that here, but I can blow it up. Kom, het is goed. Na vest. Kom. Je gaat goed. Ja, oh, dat is een brave, hè? Nee, wacht even, op te tikken. Allee jongens, ik pak nou zo'n klein stokje. Allee jong, zeg. So the first thing that I'm gonna do when I'm in the boat is check the route. Because I didn't do that yet. I just started blowing it up, but I only think that there is a waterfall and that's upstream, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna check it first though. I think it's gonna be over everywhere deep enough for my, what is it, 10 centimeters deep, maybe 50. Hier, come on, hè. Ja, goed jongen. Goed gedaan. Nu dan zit ik helemaal vol, hè, maat. Hey, naar daar. Nee, naar hier, naar daar. En blijf. Wat doet hem allemaal? Wat doet hem allemaal, hè? Nice. Ja, hoi. Niet beginnen, hè. Niet beginnen, hè. Het is een volle gezet. Allee, zeg rustig. Nee, zeg rustig. Blijf daar, naar daar, ja, ga naar daar. Of course, it's raining. Of course, it's coming.
Set my paddle on the restless stream, where the trees whisper their ancient dream. The dog beside me eyes the misty sway. In Sweden's wild, we drift away. No map to bind me, no clock to chase. Uncharted waters in a boundless space. A loon calls out a hymn so pure. Far from the rat race, the wild's my cure. Canoe cuts the mirror of endless skies, a symphony of silence where freedom lies. The forest hums as the birch trees bow. I'm untamed, I'm here and I'm now. Shadow dances on the breeze. My dog howls softly as if to tease. The fire of dusk paints the river gold. In this boundless wild, I feel consoled. No cities roar, no neons glare, just the breath of the wild and the crisp clean air. Every ripple, every rustling leaf, a melody of peace, the sweet relief. Canoe cuts the mirror of endless skies, a symphony of silence where freedom lies. The forest hums as the birch trees bow. I'm untamed, I'm here and I know. Canoe cuts the mirror of endless skies, a symphony of silence where freedom lies. The forest hums as the birch trees bow. I'm untamed, I'm here and I'm now.
Diep hier. Topsy durft niet. Hè.
Set my paddle on the restless stream, where the trees whisper their ancient dream. The dog beside me eyes the misty sway in Sweden's wild.